everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make really cute heart stickers. You only need two things. You need your hands, you need your brain, and you need, actually that's not two things. You need paper and you need double-sided tape. Okay, so first you want like a square piece of paper. You can like, I took normal piece of origami paper. I like tore it into 4 parts. This is 1/4, so you want to fold it like, first you want to do like the 2 diagonal folds. You want to make it, first you want to fold it like this, and you want to fold it the other way. So you want like an X-ish. Then you want to fold one corner down to the center. So it should look like this. And then you fold this all the way up to the top. This might be a bit confusing, but I think you guys can do it. So yeah, just fold it up there. Once you've done that, take like this side. Actually, it's easier if you fold it in half first to make sure that it's even for the next step. So you want the longer side to be down and the shorter side to be up. Okay, so just take this and then you fold it along like the half line that we made. Okay. Do that for both sides. Okay, but before we do anything else, we should undo that step and put some double-sided tape. I can tear this double-sided tape, but if you can't with yours, you just use your scissors. Okay, so we've got our tape. And we paste it here, okay? And then, okay, yeah. And then you redo the step, and it will just stick there, no coming out. Okay, and then you just like, okay, here these parts. The heart's a bit sharp, so just fold that, like, just like that. Do that for the other side. Do the same thing for like the side corners. Okay, now if you just want a normal heart, you are done. But if you want to like turn it into a sticker, you just like put the double-sided tape on the back. Ta-da! Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more good videos just like this one. Bye-bye!